Hello and welcome to this tip. In today's video, I want us to look at how you can be able to install or add font to your computer. So when you talk about font, you're talking about how your text looks like. So for example, if you come to Microsoft Word, you can be able to see all the font that comes with the computer here. So if you want to add another one, maybe you're into graphic design or you want to have your text to have a unique font, how do you do that? So we are going to look at how you can be able to add another font apart from the one that comes with the computer. So what you're going to do is you're going to open your browser and then you're going to search for font download, and then you're going to search. Once you do that, you're going to get so many websites where you can be able to open or you can be able to download the font, and most of these websites have the paid one and the free font that you can be able to download. So you're going to use this one, so you can use any one of these. So you just click and then you'll be able to find all types of fonts that you can be able to use in your computer. You can be able to add to your computer, and you can also come here and search the font that you want. So you hit search, so you can try for something like Christmas, a font related to Christmas. So you just click there and then you'll find all font related to Christmas. For example, if you want the first one, you just come here and you download, and then it comes to your computer. So you'll have to come to your computer and then you have to extract the zip file. Once you do that, you'll be able to see the folder with your font, and then once you open, you'll be able to see this file here, and to install you just double click and then you're going to install. Once you install in your computer, you can now come to your document and then you can be able to find that text. So this is the text that you have installed. So you can be able to format your text using the font that you have installed. That is all for today. Remember to like, share, comment and subscribe to this video. Thank you for today.